Welcome to qnawire.
Hi, so over here what we're going to have is a solution that is containing HPO4 2 minus and PO4 3 minus, the phosphate and acid phosphate ions, for which we're going to be given the value for the pKa. Sorry, for the Ka for this compound. In this case, the Ka reaction corresponds to the transformation of HPO4 2 minus in aqueous solution plus water in order to generate H3O plus phosphate ion in aqueous solution. So in this case, what is going to occur is that we're going to have the presence of a weak acid and its conjugate base. For that reason, we can employ directly the Henderson-Hasselbalch equation, which tells us that the pH is going to be equal to the pKa plus the logarithm of the concentration of the conjugate base, in this case phosphate, divided by the concentration of the weak acid, 2 minus. The pKa for this compound is going to be equal to minus the logarithm of Ka, which is equal to 12.377. So the result will become 12.377 plus the logarithm of the concentrations of the phosphate. We're going to have 0.255 molar. Of the other compound, we're going to have the same quantity, and as you can see, we're going to end up with logarithm of 1. The logarithm of 1 is equal to 0, thus the pH is going to be equal to the pKa, equal to 12.377. You can round out this value as 12.38 if the platform that you're employing requires two decimal places. Also, in this case, the quantities that are provided in concentrations are up to three significant figures, so you can also even go all the way to 12.4. This depends on the rules of the platform that you're employing or on the instructions for solving. I'm going to give you like the full result, and then you can round up accordingly to the scenario. Finally, for finding the pOH, remember that 14 is going to be equal to pH plus pOH. Recall that 14 comes from the value for pKw, the dissociation constant of water. So from here, pOH would be equal to 14 minus pH, which is going to give us a pOH of 1.623. Again, you can round up accordingly to the platform that you're employing. So the answer would be 12.38 and 1.62. And with that, it would be all. Thank you very much and have a good one.